Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this series of videos, we are going to utilize AI, artificial intelligence, to make and analyze our existing videos. For every session of CSIR NET Life Science, I already make videos on the most important topics for the upcoming CSIR NET Life Science examination. And if you are wondering what are the most important topic from individual units for the upcoming CSIR NET Life Science examination, then this video is going to help you. But this is a disclaimer that this video is made with AI because I already made 4 or 5 different videos on individual units. From all the other units, I compiled them with the help of the AI, and AI analyzed all of my videos and my strategies, and it put together as a summary for all of you. Under 7-8 minutes, you're going to get a crisp and to the point summary of the preparation of any individual topics of CSIR NET Life Science unit, be it unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. For all the 13 units, you will get this video series both in English as well as in Hindi. So just don't leave the video because it's made with AI. AI can do wonders. Don't think that a teacher, if he's using AI, that means a teacher is not doing its job. Teacher is obviously doing its job, but it's compiling them with the help of the AI to take it to the next level. And I bet that after going through this video, if you watch one of this video, you'll be hooked and you'll continue the series, and that is out there. Now, why I'm making this with the AI? Because I've already made it multiple times manually, and it does not make sense making the same video every single time. So I tried something new this time with the help of the AI. Watch, I believe you are going to like it. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you dislike, mention why you disliked. And if you like to get more content like this, also mention that in the comment section.
All right, let's talk about Unit 5, Developmental Biology. For so many people preparing for the CSIR NET exam, this unit is like a giant wall. It just seems impossibly huge. But what if I told you there's a smarter way to climb it? A strategic path? Well, that's exactly what we're going to map out right now. I mean, let's be honest, if you're nodding your head right now, you are definitely not alone. It's a massive, complex topic. But here's the secret. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know what really counts for the exam. And we're about to turn that feeling of anxiety into a clear, actionable game plan. Okay, so first things first, before you can win a battle, you have to know the map. We're going to take that long, intimidating Unit 5 syllabus and completely reorganize it. Not based on the order it appears in the book, but based on what's actually important for scoring marks. And here it is. This table really clears things up, doesn't it? You can see immediately that things like gametogenesis and animal morphologists are high priority. These are your gold mines. Then you have your foundational stuff, the basic concepts. But look down at the bottom. Programmed cell death? It's low priority. Right away, this tells you where to pour your energy and what you can, well, worry a little less about. So, speaking of those basic concepts, these two are absolutely non-negotiable. Competence and induction. Think of this as the fundamental language of how an organism is built. It's all about one cell talking to another and that other cell being able to listen and respond. You're going to see these ideas pop up again and again all across the unit. And this is one of the coolest ideas in biology. How does a cell know where it is? How does it know to become part of a finger and not, say, an eyeball? Morphogenetic gradients. It's basically a chemical GPS for cells. Understanding this concept is your key to unlocking those really tough analytical questions you'll find in Part C.
Okay, so now that we know some of the key ideas, let's zoom out a bit. Because maybe the single biggest strategic secret to cracking Unit 5 isn't just what you study, but understanding the balance of your focus.
Just look at this. It's what we call the 80-20 rule. When you analyze past exam papers, a whopping 80% of the questions come from animal development. Only 20% come from plant development. The syllabus might make them look equal, but the exam tells a very, very different story. This one piece of information should completely change how you plan your study time. So what does this mean in practice? It means your study plan should reflect this ratio. For that huge 80% chunk, you need to live and breathe gametogenesis, gastrulation, and those classic model systems like Drosophila and C. elegans vulva development. Then, for that smaller 20% plant section, you zero in on floral development and symmetry. See? It's about being targeted and super efficient. Awesome. So we know where to focus and we know the right proportions. But what will the questions actually feel like when you're sitting in the exam? What kind of thinking do you need to do? You need to be ready for two different kinds of challenges. The exam is pretty much a 50-50 split. Half the questions are analytical, where you have to apply concepts to new situations. The other half are memory-based. You either know it or you don't. And notice that Part C questions show up more often. That tells you the exam rewards a deep, connected understanding of the material. You can't just cram facts. You have to get how it all fits together. And for that 50% that's pure memory, this is your cheat sheet. These genes, becoid, nanos, hunchback, and these pathways are the recurring superstars of developmental biology. You have to know their names, what they do, and who they work with. Getting these down is how you lock in those crucial memory-based marks. Okay, we've looked at the syllabus, the 80-20 split, and the types of questions. Let's put it all together now. If you're short on time, or if you just want the absolute best return on your study investment, these are the 5 topics you have to master. This is it. This is your high-yield hit list. Notice something? 4 out of the 5 are from animal development, which just drives home that 80-20 rule again. Seriously, if you can walk into that exam and confidently explain early animal development, the core concepts, limb development, the whole Drosophila story, and floral development, you are in an amazing position to absolutely ace Unit 5. So, let's bring this all home. Let's tie it all together into one simple, powerful strategy that you can start using like today. It really all comes down to this one idea. Don't let the huge syllabus scare you. Use that 80-20 rule as your guide. Nail those top 5 topics we just talked about, and practice both your analytical skills and your memory recall. This focused, smart approach is how you conquer Unit 5 without burning yourself out. Look, we've just laid out the entire blueprint for you. We've shown you the most important topics, the exam patterns, and exactly where to focus your time and energy. That feeling of being lost or overwhelmed, it should be gone. You now have a clear plan. The only thing left to do is to get started. Good luck.
So I believe you got an overall detailed idea about how do you prepare this particular unit for the CSIR NET, upcoming CSIR NET Life Science examination preparation. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, colleagues, and subscribe to this channel. And also mention what necessary adjustment that we need to do to make more of this kind of videos. Should you make them? Should you not make them? And also, if you wish to join Shomu's Biology, because this video is actually made from 4 of my YouTube videos. I feed 4 of my existing YouTube videos and AI gave this output. So it is basically my own content. It is churned content of mine. So if you wish to get this content, if you want to get trained by me, get coached by me for CSIR NET Life Science examination preparation, then join our online coaching. The admission is going on. Contact the given number 9804654228. Visit our website www.shomusbiology.com or download our Shomus Biology application from Google Play Store. You'll find all the course details in there. You can also buy our study material package, 5 books, 3,900 rupees, 5 books plus 64 GB recorded lecture content, 8,900 rupees, always from our website or directly from us by contacting 9804654228 number in WhatsApp. So mention your say in the comment section so that I get to know whether you liked it or not. See you there in the next video. Thank you. Bye.